Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and there we go, I'm back. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we are gonna be talking about a Bitcoin at critical support question. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest scripture-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And you're going to keep on chatting with us. Once the stream is done, you can join us on Discord. Links will be going out right now. Hopefully, they will go out on YouTube. No, they didn't want to go out on YouTube again. It's just annoying that for some reason this thing on the stream deck is not allowed for things to go out to YouTube sometimes. There's the message. You can also join us on Discord there. I know some of you are here already and are following us there, which is awesome. 11 people watching, only 2 likes. We're behind the likes. LSU Fever, what's up? Carrie, how's it going? Madison was the first one in. Yo, Madison, how's it going? Jeff, hey. I think that's everyone so far that's posted something in the chat. So on that note, let's keep moving. Let's see what Bitcoin is gonna do, man. Let's go to that screen where the magic happens. Let's start with the market cap, right? There we go. Market cap, oh, look at how we went down. 3.26%, approximately $45.36 billion right now. A little bit of an indecision going on. We did push back up a little bit yesterday, quite a bit. And then right now we're getting that indecision where we dropped, and now we're trying to go back up a little bit more. We're going to see if this is going to be strong enough to start making positive momentum. We are below that 20 moving average on the daily, unfortunately. And we can still be looking for action to the downside. Still, hopefully that's not going to be the case, right? Let's go to market cap. Bitcoin is from the positive 0.12% in general, right? And let's see the market cap for Bitcoin. And then just alts without Bitcoin, we're looking at negative. Oh, snap, I closed that. We're looking at negative 0.23%. For some reason, I removed it by accident, but why is it not showing? There we go. Look at that, alts. Not strong enough as Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is running the show right now, at least today, to right now. We're gonna see how much of the market Bitcoin has in a second. Bitcoin dominance at 46.22%. It lost dominance yesterday. Spinning top is getting dominance today, getting above that 20 moving average, which is fine. Not really worried about how much it's gaining. It's just that it's getting above that 20. Really want to see Bitcoin lose dominance. Alts tend to play a little bit better usually when we see Bitcoin drop, but right now we could be on that period of accumulation before we do something, right? So let's go to the Bitcoin chart. We're sitting at 33,124, right? On this chart on the daily, we would suggest that we're breaking out of this wedge and we're using the support and trying to bounce from it, which could be bullish, right? Back testing that wedge, potentially try to move back up. That's going to be important if we stay above that support right now, right? That's become a support. It used to be a resistance. Shadowban Crypto, how's it going? Oh, that's going to be a kick-ass name if we pick that one. I'm not sure we're going to go with that one, though. That could be the backup channel. Let's go look at the Bitcoin chart that we usually look at. I don't like where we're at, man. Well, I kind of like where we're at right now. I didn't like where we were at earlier. Earlier, we were below that 33,090. That's why the title of the stream was the title of the stream was Bitcoin at critical support, because we are trying to hold to this 33,090. If we drop there, we're very likely looking to a drop to the 31,400s, maybe even the 30,000s. I don't believe there's a lot of strength right now to kick us back up, at least not in the short term. Now we're looking at the assumed version of the chart. There we go. Let's bring in the MACD and the RSI, our friendly indicators. Now we're still going from a high point to a low point, right? High point to a low point and a high point to a low point. So there's nothing happening on the daily that says downwards motion besides the hidden divergence that we had back here. And all that's getting us is that sideways action, right? Bitcoin is still trading sideways. We're still within the areas of support resistance, which is fine. I don't want to see it break 33K, man. Could become a little bit painful. Hopefully we can manage to get a rally, maybe retest that 20 moving average. We did get a lot of pain on Monday, right? This is Monday candle. Tuesday candle opening on the green. It's all good. Let's go check the 4-hour chart. Ha! Look at that. We're looking at this. We had some divergence, right? That's why this line was down here. We did manage to close slightly higher by the time that candle closed. And if you look at this, I'm going to see that the price of Bitcoin got above the outside of that area. We're looking for that action to the upside potentially, but what happens on the next candle, we reverse. That just basically confirms that we have not broken out of this zone. If you remember, we did have a triangle here that with this candle, we broke back in, and this one just confirmed that we were no longer in that triangle, right? That triangle pattern was not the one we were looking for. Therefore, we're left with the falling wedge, right? That was the confirmation I was looking for the other day, making sure that that triangle was not going to play out. So on that move down, we're seeing Bitcoin move quite violently. We could still go to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, right? No, not the Bollinger Bands, sorry. We're already at the bottom of Bollinger Bands. To the bottom of the falling wedge to test for support. That bottom on this candle sits somewhere around here at 32,222. Do I want to see Bitcoin go there? No. Would it create support? It could. It could create some support depending on how we get there. If we get there slowly, we're probably not going to get a lot of negative momentum building. We might create some strong bullish divergence and try to pump on that and break that wedge to the upside. If we drop fast, we might not get that. But look at this beautiful resistance, man. We went up, hit that 33,309 on the last 4-hour candle, and we rejected it. That's what's important, to have good supports and resistances. Now, what happened on this candle? We're opening at support, right? 33,090. That's good, man. Soka, my sister from another Mista. Soka's actually a dude. Soka just got called a girl. Oh, man. Your daughter's trying to get... Dude, Madison, what's up with your kid, man? She was all up on makeup the other day. Today, she's like trying to lick feet. Like, is she turning into a zombie? Did she get into the bath salts or something like that? Derek Richway, I haven't been getting notified of your bit lately. My vids. All right, sure, I'm here, man. I'm here. What you might want to do is hit the bell So you get not notified and then hit it again. So basically do it twice. So you activate notifications again. I know I'm shadow banned. We've discussed that. That's what we're coming out with, a new channel that we're gonna be going with, and we're gonna be launching soon. It's a blast being here. I love being here. I love the new deck setup, and I love the fact that I can stand up. And it just gives me so much energy when I'm standing up, which is awesome. Now, let's keep going here. So we're trying to break above this area, which again, it's fine. I'm not really worried about it, but we need to break above 33,000. Now, fallen wedge, it's good. It seems like the idea that we could go with, so it's all good. Neutral at 42.50, low to high, negative, less negative, low, like, you know, negative, less negative, low to high on the other side. Nothing else is happening here. Strong bearish divergence that we looked for yesterday and we talked about it, broke us down. What do we have here? Look at that. 4 p.m. we had bearish divergence. We started to break down. We tried to break back up again, which was fine. That was at 11. Failed to get higher than the previous high. We talked about that if we failed to get higher than the previous high, we're looking for potential action downside. We flagged a little bit more, and then we just finally caved in, broke down after hitting that resistance twice and failing to break above it. As you can tell, every candle that got above this area got rejected quickly. So we got up, tried to hold support, then next candle brought us back down, broke up, got back down, broke up, brought back down. So again, we're not getting a lot of stuff there, man. Can I do TA on XRP? Sure, man. We can put it on the list. I'm not sure if the list is updating. I've hit save plenty of times. I'm not sure why I'm having problems with the list. There's a couple coins already on queue, by the way. So, what do we have here? Low, lower low, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Nothing here. Derp, subscribed. What is up, my friend? What is up back at you? Why didn't that go out? Oh, there we go. Went out. Great. Let's keep rolling. We're trying to move back up above this line. There's nothing bullish right now, at least not on the 1 hour. I'm gonna go to the half hour, guys. I gotta look. There might be something. Here it is. Here's the answer. Remember, what have we said plenty of times? When we can't find what we're looking for on the time scale that we're looking at, go look for a little bit more definition on the prior time scale. And here we have that bullish divergence. Remember, I said we're going up. We don't have anything. Well, here's the answer. I feel like Jeff Foxworthy. Here's the sign, right? Well, here's the sign. Bullish divergence. Strong. Against the MACD, not against the other side, but actually the upside. Getting us above that 20. We flirted with it for a bit. Finally broke it on the last candle. Right now, we're not strong enough to sustain. There's not a lot of volume. Look at that. Volume has tapered off. We're getting that tightness in the Bollinger Bands. We know that volatility leaves the market, and when it comes back in, we get the wildest of swings. Like we did here, we got to squeeze the Bollinger Bands explosion to the downside. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell us where they're going to explode to. We just know they're going to move. Bollinger Bands on the 1 hour, they're still pretty far apart. So guess what? The beautiful thing about this is that all moves within the Bollinger Bands are allowed. So we could pump all the way up here to the top part of the Bollinger Bands, which is at $34,238, and try to find something there, maybe resistance. All's good. Like I said, we're sitting sold at 39.49, still pointing down, so we could still be looking for some action to the downside. And we're not really clear on how high we want to go. There's nothing here on the 1 hour. There's nothing bullish on the 4 hour, I think, either. Yeah, nothing bullish. So, we're just running on hopium from the 30-minute chart. That's it. Let's go and check Ethereum. Because Ethereum is probably doing worse. Ethereum's actually in the negative. It's sitting at $2,026. Look how the mighty have fallen. Ethereum a couple of days ago, it was sitting mighty at around 2,400. Now it's now sitting at 2,000, so it's dropped quite a bit of percent points. Look at this. From the high point to the low point, dropped approximately 15%. Oh my goodness, how could this be? Andrew W. Musk. Sure. Sounds like something that you should smell. It smells of musk. The muskiness of the smell. Madison says, my heart breaks. Yeah, it's all good. Sorry, Madison. I'll send you some crazy glue so you can glue it back together. Hopefully Ethereum will pump we'll get something going on here. Losing $6 right now, not the end of the world. But we're below the 2,263. Where's our target? Well, our target goes to 1,844. That's it. There's nothing else happening here, for reals. Like, nothing else has developed besides that hidden divergence. Let's go to the 4-hour. I the best. No, Madison, you're the best. Oh, by the way, you gave a donation before the stream started. I just seen it. I forgot to say thank you, but...
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Madison. That is awesome.
Thank you very much
for the kind donation. Remember, tomorrow there might not be a stream. No, not tomorrow. Wednesday there might not be a stream. And for the next week and a half, starting Wednesday, streams are going to be off, sort of. So if you want to catch up with me and know what's happening, whether or not there's going to be a stream, we're going to be early, we're going to be late, please make sure you follow us on the Discord. It's going to be the easiest way to know whether or not I'll be live or not. I might just be posting I'm going to go live minutes before I go live. Parents are going to be in town. I really want to spend time with them. I haven't seen them in a while. So that being said, probably going to be on and off, right? I got to spend time with the family, right? That's the important thing in life. So I do want to be able to stream, but I might not be able to stream every day. I might just go on the Discord, do something short. Maybe I'll just post charts on the Ideas and Charts channel on the Discord. I might do a quick stream just for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You'll know once you're in the Discord what we'll be doing that day. But I think Wednesday for sure there might not be a stream. Let's keep rolling. Ethereum on the 4-hour. We're looking for that bearish divergence here. We still had it here. We started to break down. So we're sold at 35.08. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. I mean, we do have, sorry, before I move. There's something good happening here in Ethereum. I almost skipped over it. Can you believe that? Look at this guy. He almost skipped over this. It's so easy. There is divergence. Bullish divergence. Look at that. Strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. 33.40, 33.20. We don't have it against the RSI. Expect your flex. I'm just trying to trade enough to buy. Grips from my brother. And he's chasing many gains, just hodling long-term tokens for the most part. Appreciate the game. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm sorry to hear about what you're trying to buy. Yeah. Sorry about that, man. Let's keep going. Things I don't like. Remember we're on this rising wedge? Remember we were on this rising wedge? And we were moving down? And we said, or we might be finished with the move with this drop because we were hitting it almost spot on. Now we're looking for that bounce. Guess what? We're starting to move down below this area. I could target prices down here. I'm hoping the strong bullish divergence gets us out of this rut. There's something happening here that we're not seeing because I haven't drawn it yet. Because we just basically got the second touch point a couple hours ago. And it is this move here on Ethereum, right? We're going to draw it here. Just so you know what we're talking about. Could be looking at a fallen wedge, right? So that fallen wedge, we know tends to break to the upside, and we could be going for a measure move. Oh boy, that music stopped. Let's play something else. Right on. So this could be one of the moves, right, that we could be going for. If the fallen wedge starts here, the move's a little bit larger, but not by a lot. So this could be a two moves that Ethereum could be going for 2,400 or 2,300. I would be anchoring from this latest point because it seems to fit, and we kind of broke it slightly and broke back in, and that is fine. So I would have to adjust here a little bit on the touch point. And even if we acknowledge this point here and say we have not touched that bottom part, we're still in that long wedge. That's why I believe this shorter move might be the move that we're going for, and that could be around 2,363, right? So depending on when we break, that is important. It's not going to go there right now because it could break here. So we'd be targeting 2,278. Again, when we break to the upside, if we break to the upside, we're looking at this. So I'm hoping that Bitcoin holds, maybe moves sideways, and it allows for this pattern to play on Ethereum. We are, like I said, bullish divergence, like we had on this chart. And on that note, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, we had this hidden divergence. We pumped, failed to get higher than the previous high. Oh my goodness, no, what happened? We dropped on the bearish divergence. So we got a continuation of the bearish divergence. Now we're going from a low point to a lower point. Again, more negative momentum and lower still. So there's nothing bullish here. It's sold at 28.85. We don't have anything on the 1 hour. We do have stuff on the 4 hour and the daily. We don't have anything. Now, I'm going to go back to Bitcoin real quick. Make sure I didn't miss this divergence that Ethereum had. No, low to high, right? You go here, low to high, negative plus negative. Everything is good here on Bitcoin. I didn't miss anything. That's great. May, market won't moon until we see the dog. Bro, every time we've seen the dog, the market has dropped. So the dog's gonna stay in the doghouse until just in the doghouse. He just lives in the house. But we're not gonna see the dog until the market starts to move. Maybe if it starts to drop, I'll bring the dog and see if we get good walking pumps. Binance in the 4 hour. What is happening there, man? High to low. Still with that rise in wedge. We wicked last night or today. Yeah, 12th. The 12th. Right now, sideways motion. Not a lot happening. Neutral at 48.95. Could go either way. So let's go here. Rastamaish. What's up, Rastamaish? How's it going? Ooh-wee. Let's roll. High to low. High to low. High to low. There's nothing bearish. My goodness. Low to high. Negative, less negative. Low to high. Nothing here. Nope. Wait. There might be. There might be. I gotta zoom in here. Oh, yeah, boy. Some hidden divergence, man. Some hidden divergence, man. We're starting to get stuff that other cryptos don't have. They're not all showing similarities. Like Ethereum has strong bullish. Binance has hidden bullish. That's kind of interesting. Market Slayer, what's up, friend? How's it going? Wait until you see the wick on ADA. Whew. Oh boy. Dutch, Don Shane Oscillator Indicator by Rafael Dezani. Sure, man, we could in a little bit, right? Once I finish the. Just make sure you request it again once I finish the notepad list that I'm going through, right? Because I gotta move through those coins first. Everything out there has been requested prior to your thing, and since it's not a coin, I'm not gonna put it in the list because it's a very large name. So we'll see. I have no problem looking at it, you know that. So, but just let me know once I finish the coin list before I log off. Cenobyte offset. What's up, man? How's it going? Okay, for being here. Yo, Lionel, how's it going, man?
What's up?
My friend Lionel from I'm not sure where, but he's here almost every night. Almost every night. Neutral 48. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower, still neutral at 42.38. High to low, positive, positive, high, low. There's nothing happening here, man. I declared that there's nothing here. Yeah, I did Bitcoin at the beginning. So hey, Chihuahua. That's awesome, my friend. I've been to Chihuahua plenty of times. Plenty of times. You live in Phoenix. I also been to Phoenix plenty of times. Gen Z, what's up? Engine, sure. Yo, prepping for war. How's it going, man?
What's up?
Easy. Hey, dude. Hope all is well. First time here from you. Oh, it's awesome, dude. Yeah, everything's good. Thank you for being here, Easy. Hope you take it easy.
What's up?
Your background looks really nice. I love it. Me too, man. Thanks. I appreciate it. We come back to Phoenix. Let me know. Hells yeah, man. Helium down under. Nice stream, mate. All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
What's up?
I hope you got enough helium down under. The HNT machines are arriving on time. What's up, Meng? What is up, my friend? Wow, so many people coming in tonight. 28. Woo! Hit the bells, hit the likes, hit the subs, right? Do everything that is awesome. Let's keep moving here on Binance. Hello. There's nothing happening on the Binance. Like, for real, there's nothing on we are just neutral at 42.47. Could go down a bit. The RSI seems to be pointing down. I mean, it would not be weird if we get a bounce and then hit something here at the 20 and then pop. There might be something here in the half hour. I mean, I'm going to basically try to guess that there might be something here in the half hour chart. We'll see in a second. Ha! I got it! I spotted it on the other chart. Look, from here to here. It's like the greatest party trick ever created. When you can see there's stuff happening on other time scales. Negative. Less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside. And we're getting that small movement up. We at least got above that 20. We could still be looking for a little bit more action to the upside. There seems to be some hidden divergence. Let's check. Yes, there is. Unfortunately, this hidden divergence could just put a damper on our plans to move up and say, hells no. Best thing you're going to do is move sideways. All right, hit bearish. So we did have strong bullish. It didn't play strong enough. Hit bearish starting to come in and putting some pressure on that price. We might go back down to that 20 moving average. 2020 what's up?
What's up?
Thank you for being here. Let's go over to the Litecoin. Litecoin is done nut. I speak very good English. Litecoin is done nut. Litecoin is doing nothing. That's what I wanted to say. We're going up. We're hitting that 20. We're just getting the noise. Look at this. It's just boring. Sideways motion. Last thing we had was that hidden divergence. We're below $163. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Do you see Ethereum going a wall? What do you mean a wall? Like a wall? It went away? Nah, I don't get the comment, bro. 4-hour chart. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Let's anchor this in the 4-hour. Litecoin looks like the squeeze is coming. Yeah, someone there were talks. There was an article about Bitcoin squeeze potentially happening. I didn't even read it. I mean, the question is there gonna be a Bitcoin squeeze, man? Here, look. Bitcoin dips below 33,000 as shorts spike. Trader wants a violent Bitcoin price squeeze. We'll see if we get a violent Bitcoin price squeeze. This from Cointelegraph. So that being said, again, we're starting to move up a little bit, hitting that 20 and rejecting. Nothing bullish happening. Neutral at 47.70. Still pointing slightly up on the RSI. So we can still get a little bit more of a climb. Maybe retest that 20. Not be necessarily that bad. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. A wall. Madison, thank you very much for the kind donation.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very
Madison
much.
put a small picture of chocolate ice cream. A sticker of chocolate ice cream. That at first, that's why I thought that emoji was a while back. I was like, why did someone make a chocolate ice cream emoji? And then I understood that it was a duck turd. It's a true story. Let's keep rolling. Low, lower, low, negative, low, lower, still neutral at 44.50. 44.08. Isn't it like a little poop smiling or something like that? This goes Bitcoin to make cream corn. Right, man. I don't know. There's something happening here, man. It's just like bland. Litecoin is just boring. Let's go look at the RSR real quick. Ooh, RSR looks like it's doing nothing here. It's a happy turd. Yeah, no, I thought it was happy chocolate ice cream.
Rocket, tumbler glass.
Preparing for war. Thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. Helium Down Under. Hey, man, loving your stream design. Do you have a source to purchase that style, or did you do it yourself? all of this was my idea. I had someone else help me make it, but basically I drew it. And it's shifted with time, and it's a funny story. I do actually think one quick second. Ha! So yeah, in this notebook is the initial design I drew for the stream. Ha! It looked a little bit different. The webcam was here. The chat was gonna be on this side. Ticker was gonna be down here. It just changed. But yes, I do have everything documented. Someday those notes are gonna be worth a lot. Leonel, how's it going, man?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. Awesome job. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Just in time. What's up? What many things a dog turd and not some kind of other turd? Dude, I've seen dogs make thirds like that. I have never seen a human do a third like that. So I'm just banking it's going to be a dog turd. This is where ice cream came out of. I know. Buckle up, boys. But that actually does say peach. I know it means bum, but you know. You like standing more? I see you more active. Yes, I like standing more. When I'm sitting down and I had dinner, it just makes you feel tired and down. Staying up definitely feels better. Madison there with another donation. Sausage in the bun. Get it. You guys are going crazy there, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Anyways, RSR, not doing anything, going down. Neutral at 40.03. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour, low, negative, less negative, strong, bullish divergence. The way we want to have it from one island to the next. So with that possibility for action to the upside, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, but we're sitting sold at 38.56. And the fact that we're sold could get us to try to come back to this neutral zone on the RSI, remember, right? Neutral zone from 50 to 40. So we could try to come back up here, and that would be congruent with the fact that we have strong bullish divergence. We could be aiming for that 20 moving average. That's the yellow line here. That's at 2.37 cents. Hell. Right on.
Audience, say it with me.
I'm not sure why I clicked that one, but legendary.
Thank you very much.
I think I clicked it by accident. This is just so good. Neutral 38.58. Let's go to 1-hour chart. Look, I anticipated that, you know. All right.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Donut.
Yes. Yeah, I'm glad I said donut, not something else. I still haven't done the trading view trick, man. I'll do it someday. I'm not in a rush to do it. I'm not in a rush to do it, my friend. Low, lower, low, negative 4, negative, low, lower, still neutral at 43.21. Right. RSR. Not a lot happening here. Let's go and check XLM. Oh man, what do you say there? Jesus, so what you typed there? That volume though. What, on this candle? Yeah, it's struggling though. Right, volume on the daily wasn't as good as we had back here, so the volume has been dying out. Right, let's keep rolling, man. What are we gonna do? What did we said, XLM? All right, let's do XLM. 23.81 cents. It's still below that 20 moving average. Seems as though it's trying to break slightly of that downsloping channel, but not because it wants to, just because it's holding support at the 236. That fib node here at 23.75 cents. That's where we're holding support at. It's barely holding support there, man. Not liking how it's performing. High to low, positive is positive, high to low, sold at 35.83. Could be looking for some action to the upside. Undi 4 hour. Look at this. would you? Look at this. We were looking for that bearish divergence. Guess what happened? We looked at this last night. Oh my goodness. We just one more candle, and then we dropped. We had bearish divergence. That is fine. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low to high, nothing bullish. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 39.72, and with that, we could be looking for action to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, low to high, we were looking for some bearish divergence that didn't play here on the 1 hour because we went higher, and everything went higher with it, right? Everything went higher. Here we're gonna do the itsy bitsy spider trick, where we just go the itsy bitsy spider and go like that, right? And then we go from here to here, right? And look at that, bearish divergence, strong. With that, the possibility for action to the downside. And we moved down on that. So we were looking for divergence. We ended up creating it somewhere else. Still fine. Broke down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower. Still sold. Sorry, yeah, sold at 38.31. And that is it. I mean, the market's really not doing a lot, guys. The market is not doing a lot. I really wish we're in for the fast times at Richmond High, but it's not. It's just slow. What do you mean it's slow? It moved. I know. Look at the move. Basically dropping to almost the same level we had back here. So we're doing prices of July the 9th. Not really getting the most awesome movements. Right? So, on the daily, not a lot of volume. It's just tapering off. It's dying out for all the coins. We're going to do a quick Bitcoin recap before we keep on moving through the assets and the projects that we're going to look at. So Bitcoin, again, struggling. Look at Bitcoin volume. Look at the Bitcoin volume. It's almost not there. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands. Hopefully we get an explosive move and potentially to the upside. We're just holding same prices. I know. We're just holding same prices. Ha! There we go. Get above 33,000, please. Pretty please. Nothing bullish here on the half hour. We did say there's bullish divergence in the half hour. Calm before the storm. Let's hope. Adrian, that is what I typed today on Twitter, my friend. Believe it or not, I did say that. It's here. Last State of Crypto 3 hours ago. The calm before the storm. Alright. We should, man. We should do that. Dude, I think that's a good idea, May, right? Like, we should have, like, a prediction by the community calendar of sorts that we control, and people can go in and just input their prediction but not change it. That would be pretty interesting. Jeju, sure. Produce the beats. What's up, man? I think Jeju is going to end their quest list. Already got a lot of things in to look at. We'll see once we get to Jeju. You guys are basically gonna be to be determined once we hit that area, right? Oh, it's 3 dots. You're risking for the biscuit. Make sure it's not a limp biscuit and you get a firm biscuit. Keith. Super clue pattern till Christmas. Yeah, Christmas are no longer here. The corn is creating hidden bearish divergence. Oh my goodness, I didn't spot this one earlier on today. Oh, look at that, the hidden bearish divergence. I really hope this hidden bearish divergence doesn't play. It's gonna suck if it plays. Oh, man. Let's roll. Let's keep rolling. Let's do. Someone said AMC, so why not? The movie theaters. We haven't looked at them in a while. I'm not even sure where AMC's at. I haven't been trading it. I haven't been doing stock swap. Let's get on that daily and see what's happening, man. Right. Last thing we had. Look at that. Bearish divergence. Since then, we did try to rally. We're still coming back down. That's fine. Hidden bullish divergence developing. hidden bullish. Look at that. It's so nice. In your face, it pumps the bullish divergence. We are neutral at 43.95. Let's go to the 4 hour. 3 beers, deep, lol, sorry, trying to be funny. Wow. It's all good. Sure, Ethereum has been priced in for the up. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see on the 4 hour. Low to high, negative plus negative, low high. There's nothing here, man. I mean, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Stocks, usually if I'm not going to be doing day trading, I'm not going to be looking on the shorter time scales. Day trading, I usually look at the 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 10-minute chart, or 15-minute chart. For this, and since the market's not open, I'm just going to go here until here, the 1 hour. The last thing we created here was hidden bearish, and it's just helping it break a little bit farther down. Okay. We are sold 31.59. Tony says, damn, I got some Ethereum last night and it dips. Shake my head. Next time, do trust your guy. I mean, don't trust your gut. All right. Air trade with 100 times leverage unless you use market player. Ha! That's what you did there. Dude, what are you going to do Ethereum? Ethereum had this pattern last night. We called it hidden bearish. We knew the possibility for sideways motion, maybe action downside. Lost at 20. Just dropped farther down. Now it has bullish divergence, so it could try to pump on that. 1 hour chart, Ethereum had this bearish divergence. All right, we created this hidden bullish. Try to pump, and we failed to get higher than the previous high, so we were looking for a drop. It was not a clear in for Ethereum, and we needed to break this area for it to be a clear in. Neutral RSI looks good for the Ferrari. And now it's coming from oversold, so there's a bigger chance I might try to go for that 20, go slightly higher, get across the MACD over the signal line here. And it's not going to be an entry for MACD strategy. We're not at those levels. Where's the circle, man? I will be looking for this cross potentially to happen. And then that could indicate that we're going to get action to the upside, right? Again, just take it with a grain of salt. You might be able to recover a little bit, and hopefully on that small rally. Come. Buy the dip, come on, buy the dip, come on, buy the dip. Ha 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 ha. I'm not sure, it might be. Was it written by Will Smith? Keep Kobe. You dip, we dip. When I dip, you dip with dip. Come, still building that handle. So potential cup with handle have not gone up to break that line. Nothing else happening here. Neutral at 54.36. So the daily, it's cool. What? Doesn't matter to you, not to me. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Oh, it's all good, man. I appreciate you being here, man. YouTube needs to allow crypto tips. Oh, there are crypto donations. They're in the description. If you ever want to send crypto donations, we can do it through OneUpCoin, or you can also do it through Cointree if you wanted to. Cointree doesn't show on the stream. OneUpCoin does come up here and does the whole like little thing when it comes up. So yeah, so if you ever want to donate through crypto, you can do it there, and I'll greatly appreciate it as well. Low to high, everything here is good. We don't have anything bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour does have bullish divergence. Look at this. Bullish divergence strong action to the upside, popping up a bit. Moving back down, fell to drop lower than the previous low, so we could still be going for a move to that 20 moving average at $419.78. So $419 sold at 35.02. Pointing down on the RSI, a little bit of contradicting data. Seems as though we want to go down because the RSI is still pointing down. Sold at 34.72, meaning we do want to try to go back up to that neutral zone. Bullish divergence should be trying to help with that. Kevin. Drew, how's it going? I'm doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. Kevin's gonna go down all the way down to 20K. No. I doubt it. I hope not. I'm not seeing anything that would suggest 20,000 by tomorrow. Did I get better on trading after starting streaming? No, it's the same. I'm not sure what you mean by that. I've been trading before I started streaming, so just basically starting streaming, I just do look at the chart every day, which is similar to what I do anyways. So I do a lot of trading stocks and trading commodities, so I'm not sure what you mean by that, but thanks, man, I appreciate it. I see the biggest cup in handled Komodo per hour. All right, unlikely. Not sure what that means. Entire crypto empire using the down computer. Ooh. I hope you're able to recover it. Doesn't matter. 20,850 pro lowest Ethereum go. Yes, we do have our support around the 1,800 and change. Right, let's keep rolling. Comp on the 1 hour. Bullish divergence should be trying to go up. We'll see, man. This is the last thing we have. We're gonna go with this bullish. Could be going for that 20 moving average, 419.74. Let's go to CTSI. You stack altcoins and silver. Silver and gold. I'm not sure what you mean by altcoins. Like, do I like numismatic stuff? Like, do I have coins? Yes, I have old silver coins. Have one on my desk, actually. Walking Liberty from 1941. I actually have another one. Walking Liberty from 1943. I have two. See if I can do this. 2 coins, 2 Walking Liberties. Yes, I do have old silver. Thanks for asking. I also have other top coins. Let's go to CTSI, we said, right? CTSI at 42.90. What are we doing? Let's go to daily. I have a lot of coins. Somewhere in here, I put a lot of coins. A lot of silver. I'll have Morgan dollars, have Barber dollars. You can see through your webcam. That's how he knew. I know, he's a wizard. He is a wizard. He is a wizard, Harry. His name is Harry Potter. He just pretends to be Keith here. Let's do this. Bullish divergence strong. Potential fraction to the upside. We did go up, hit that 20. Great. And we just sucked and moved sideways. We're still above that 786, which is fine. We're not really getting above that 20 with strength. Neutral at 44.39. And here I think there was some hidden divergence. We'll see high, low to high up. Hidden bearish divergence. I mean, it's not doing anything exciting, which is okay. Why do I say it's okay? Because when thing becomes boring, I should have said desk. What? I'm not sure what desk coins are. My coins are in stack, by the way. These divergence that we're having is building some pressure to the downside. It's hidden bearish. Again, it's still below that 20 barely. And the reason I said it's okay that it's boring, it's because when the market is boring is when we have to be here. That's when the market's about to move and we want to catch them. 4-hour chart. Low to high, negative, more negative. It's bullish. Great. We're looking for potential action to the upside. Maybe hit that 20 moving average. That would be at 44.31 cents. Starting to move up a bit, and that right after we created it must be the move that we're going for. That's it, though. Wish we had more. Neutral at 45.59, pointing down on the RSI. Not really worried about it yet. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, look at this. Low, lower, low. More negative. Lower still. Nothing bullish. Crazy, right? Might be something on the half hour from here to here. No, we don't even have anything on the half hour, so it's all good. That's it. We're neutral at 40.25, barely neutral. We could try to recover a little bit more, but you know, we're gonna have resistance at the 20. Very likely, if we get a pump to this zone, we're gonna come in from a high point to a low point, or a high point to a low point. Positive to more positive, right? That's something we gotta look out for. I'll be creating divergence bearish. We don't want to get that, right? That moves us down. That being said, that's it for CTSI. Let's go check out DAG. You like DAGs? What do you say? He said you like DAGs. Quote that movie. Wait, what movie is that quote from? See if we can get it first. Go to the daily, man. Let's go to DAGs. All right. Oh, look at that freaking spike a couple days ago. Ooh, that went crazy. No clue about DAGs? Any of you guys like DAGs? Not getting any valid retrace yet, which is fine. You just keep thinking gag? What? Why are you gagging, Madison? Why are you gagging? I just want to see if we're doing a valid retrace. We're not retracing yet. We're going down. Snatch! There you go. Produce the beats. Got it. I didn't have to go into the second clue. Look at this. Moving down a bit. Going for that 236, right? That. Yeah. Alright, so good. That week's double the price, yes. It's an insane weight. Never heard of it. Never heard of the Snatch? I think it's one of the best Guy Ritchie movies. Nothing here that is bearish. Went overbought, sitting bought right now at 68.58. We might be coming down a bit. Nice, we got one up. Extra life, yes. You guys can guess more next time. But honey. Are you feeling lucky, punks? Do you feel lucky, punks? Do ya? Here's that movie. Produce Beat says, I'm 24. And he's already producing the beats. That's awesome. That would be nice if we could get like an intro song for producer the beats. Not from him, but you know, someone that produces the beats makes an intro song for the channel. What is this? A learning center for ants? That's another good movie. I just quoted 2 movies. See if we can get some. Second one was really easy. Neutral 49.25. That's it. Let's go to, again, hidden bullish. We could be trying to go for some action to the upside. We don't have this. Or what is DAG? Seems like pulling itself pretty well. I'm not sure what DAG is. DAG is this constellation tether. This constellation. DAG is a constellation. again, coming back down, right? So we could be in for a retrace. So watch out. Hey, brace for it. Let's go to the 1 hour. No takers on the movies, on the movie quotes. So we're not gonna do that game, I guess. We're talking quote stuff, and then you guys guess movie. Or any takers? Any take us? Right, bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside, starting to move down. Low, lower, some strong bullish divergence trying to build here. Man, is this gonna play? That's gonna be key. If this plays, bro, could go up. What's Sandag? We are sold at 35.51. You like the Brad Pitt. He number 1 character. Bro, let's keep rolling. Bullish divergence strong. Potential action to the upside. Sold at 35.51. Let's keep rolling with this. Let's keep rolling with the punches. Up next. After Dags. Ito. High five, I like. That's another movie. Guess. Someone guess. I've quoted 3 so far. Huh, what? Jason, I didn't take you for a bear. I mean, we're not what Max is so super bullish right now, but you know, it is what it is. The market is what it is. Cardano. Ooh, look at that wick. It went down and hit support almost at our fib node. Close to your fib node at $1.16. We did call for that move, right? Remember. Bitcoin Fight Club. What is up, homie? Yo, another good movie. How's it going? That dude in green suit. What? That dude in green suit. I'm not sure what that means. Something bullish here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, look at that. We're looking for the bearish divergence. Ooh, here? That wick's not here. That's weird. That's weird that the wick's not here. Awkward. We got no money. We got no food or pets. What? First rule of Fight Club. We're not talking about Fight Club. Look, high to low. Still with a very nice candle here. All right, so high to low. Still low to high. So we created that hidden bearish divergence, bringing us down. Low, lower, low, negative, less, negative, strong. Bullish divergence developing here. Makes no sense. Tell me how come you're not at least 500k subs. You're that good. Rock and roll. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. That's because I'm shadow banned most of the time. We're thinking about changing the channel's name to Shadow Ban Crypto. Legit. No joke. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.67. Yes, I am that good. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. It's Dumb and Dumber. Yes, dude. Is it? It sounded familiar. I just remember that kid with the parakeet that was going like, oh, it's like, it's not singing anymore, or whatever. Produces the beats. I'll put it here. I'm not sure we're going to get to it though, right? I had already kind of closed the request, so we'll see, right? We'll see. Dude. Great, let's roll. Oh yeah, dude. Fight Club's a great movie. It's just like the Boondock Saints. You should also watch it. Sold 38.60. That's it. I mean, we're still pointing down. We're looking for some action downside here. On ADA on the 4 hour. Right, let's go to the other one. The 1 hour chart. Oh, look at this. We don't have anything. Went slightly higher, so I'm not going to risk it. I'm not going to say, yo, we're doing something. It looks as though we had some weak bearish. I'm just going to have to check, man. I can't let it go. It's like a dog with a bone. 65, 64, 65, 60. Still slightly lower, slightly higher. We could even say that, yes, it's sideways motion here on the RSI. And on that note, we're going to have weak bearish divergence. I'm just going to go for the weak one. I'm not going to go for anything else. Go weak bearish divergence. Go with that. Action to downside. Breaking down on that, that is fine. Low, lower, low, more negative momentum lower on the other side. There's really nothing bullish building up. We just sold at 36.21. Could we pump to that 20? Yes, we could. At $1.32. I'm not sure we're going to get there, though, right? Hell or high water. That's fine. Right. So let's move on to XRP. XRP. Sound off. Isn't this an XRP army? I'm gonna bear. Just want to buy it cheaper. Jason, I think you might be behind in the comments. I said that a while back. Jesus. This is weird. I'm trying to type and the thing is super slow. Sorry, I'm trying to see if someone's behind. What? What the hell is this craziness? Why is the keyboard lagging? We can get this to work now. For some reason, there's something causing interference on some of my stuff. Jason, are you up to live? I'm not sure if you're up to live. I think you might be lagging. Let me know though, by the way, because I'm curious. I was gonna type something and just the keyboard started to lag. Let's check out XRP. High to low. High to low. High to low. Low to high. Negative, more negative. All right, we did create some hidden bullish divergence here. New York minute. Our usual bet. You're right on. Let's get this going. There we go. I'm struggling to anchor. There we are. We have hidden bullish divergence. Hooah! Don't you like that? Hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence fraction to upside. We should be going for that 20. Neutral at 46.70. Again, sideways a little bit. Could be going for that 20 moving average, right? You're not joking. Yeah. Oh. What? Right, let's keep rolling. I got lost in the comments. Let's go to the daily. On the daily. We are neutral at 46. Sorry, at 40.69. We're really not doing a lot. We're below 63.36. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, quit playing. That's your go-to movie next year. What? What movie? Fireworks, helicopter. I'm not sure. No clue what you guys are talking now in the chat. It's all good. You guys are having fun. We're looking for that hidden divergence. We did get a small pop. That said, though, we lost anything that was divergence bullish afterwards. Trying to cover. That's fine. High to low. High to low, and high to slightly higher. I'm going to be reserved here. There is some slight bearish divergence that developed. It's hidden bearish. And the reason I want to be reserved a bit is since it's not super clear. It feels like I'm going to have to go and actually zoom into the chart to get it to see this right. Scott Jet, what's up? Hey, how's it going, man?
What's up?
There we go. Let's keep rolling. So I'm going to have to zoom in here. And that was bent. Yes, it's slightly higher, man. Just very slightly higher. It's hidden bearish divergence. Potential action downside, moving down on that. And that's all we're going to go with. Neutral at 47.81. That is it for this. Let's move on to... Ooh, what am I going to move on to, man? Let's go... I think we got a request for W Musk. Before we go to W Musk, I'm going to check. Press Bitcoin real quick, see where it's at. Closing the hour. Ooh, barely closing this area. Look at that. We rejected the 33,309. And yeah, great. It feels like I'm in a game show. Guess the price is right. Yo, Scott, thank you very much for being here, man. I think I already did this, but if not, what's up again? Right. W Musk not. W Musk. It's over here. Let's see if we can load. You added your like. Thank you very much for that. I haven't said this, by the way. I just got reminded. If you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Do the awesome things. All right, W Musk. Let's go into the daily, I guess. Or there's nothing on the daily because it's new. Let's go to 1 hour. Andrew, I don't remember what we called for this because it doesn't save on this chart. Charts, Martin. Great. You remember what we said for this, Andrew? We said something. I can't remember what it was. I can't even remember what time scale we looked at this. Low to high. Do we have, like, did I even bring out indicators for this? No, it didn't have a lot of data. All right, I need to make these columns first. And make them the color of green. The green, the money. And the RSI, we're gonna make it a little bit more visible as well. We're gonna go with yellow, I guess, or orange. Slightly thicker. There we go. Easier for you guys to see on your screen. You might not be seeing the whole chart. It's just awkward here, but I'll move this so you guys can see it a little bit better, I guess. And there it is. There was no data. All right, that's cool because we still have not a lot of data. Low to high, we don't have a lot to go on here, man. Low to high, negative, less negative. It looks okay. There's really not a lot going here in the 1 hour. Best thing I can do is go in the half hour, I guess, and try to get something. Low to high. All right, so here in the short term, we have strong bullish divergence that's starting to develop, right? From here to here. I'm not gonna pinpoint this by any means. I just want to draw this real quick and move on to the next chart. Not because I don't want to do this, it's just we don't have a lot of data. Bullish divergence strong. We don't have it against the RSI. We are oversold, and we should be trying to look for some action to the upside on the fact that we have strong bullish divergence. That's the most I can do, Andrew, man. So potential action to the upside here on W Musk. On that note, let's get W Musk out of the way. I really wish you had more data. It looks like it could be an interesting project. You always find like those small projects that no one looks for. Do you hold any safety meats? Not sure. Come on, P, Dodo. Fun. All right. So we'll do engine and Jeju, and then we'll look at the indicator that got requested earlier. Engine. What is happening with the engine at $1.29? Isn't this coin working in Japan somehow? Right? Isn't this like somehow working in Japan already? Got accepted to something. Oh, look at that. We were looking for the bearish divergence hidden. Remember we talked about this whenever we looked at this, probably yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I can't remember when. So we're getting close to 618 with divergence. Gotta watch out, we might reject, hit bearish, we're moving sideways, rejecting consistently. Got 618, we gotta break above it, otherwise, you know, it's downtown here. Neutral at 52.52. Could be going for that 20 if on that rejection that we had. So that 20 would be at $1.16. Could try to get another crack at $1.40 almost. Wouldn't be that weird. Let's go to that 4 hour, man. Upsloping channel, we briefly broke out of it. Breaking back into it, still holding support. So it could be considered to be a fake breakout of sorts, right? Do we have anything else happening here? High to low, high to low, high to low. Nope. Low to high, negative plus negative. Low to high, nothing here to look for. Neutral at 48.95. Let's go to the 1 hour. Looks strong. Bullish divergence. Hey, man. Strong bullish divergence, man. Should be getting us some action to the upside, right? Should be getting us some action to the upside. There we go. Neutral at 43.89. We are moving up a bit, hitting that 20 and rejecting. That would have been the primary target. If we felt it'll drop lower than the previous low, that would be the low here. At $1.27-ish, or whatever this low was. $1.27, yeah. We could be looking for action to the upside. Maybe retest that 20 and try to overtake it. That would be the short term thing I would be looking at. Am I missing something here? Lethal. Oh, there's something on Twitch that asks something. Sorry, I didn't see your comment, man. I'm African. Someone said Doge. Sure, man, I can put Doge on the list. I'm sorry about that. For some reason, the Twitch comments were not loading up. I'm really, really sorry about that. I'll do Doge after Jeju because that one came in. Ooh. That was weird. I'll do Doge after Jeju because that one came after. It had proposal requests. Let's go to Jeju now. Not a lot here, right? Bullish difference. We created any hidden bearish? No hidden bearish. Great. Let's go to Jeju coin. For some reason, the Twitch comments were not loading up here. That's weird, but I'm noticing. Someone said, good time to buy more AMC shares. Hold off a little bit longer. Ooh, that's a good question. I'm not into AMC, so entirely up to you. I'll probably wait, but again, not financial advice, not my thing, right? It looks as though it could go down a bit, so we'll see. Jeju. Ooh, that potential level bottom didn't come to fruition, right? Because we didn't go higher and we never broke that confirmation line, which again, remember, we gotta wait for confirmation. We got to wait for confirmation, but we're still creating bullish divergence, which is fine. It just hasn't really triggered that action to the upside, right? What do I mean? Well, look, we're still coming lower. We're still making less of that negative momentum. Should be looking for action to the upside. Going for that 20, which still reaches 0, but we have not gone there yet. Very close to going to all-time lows. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. It may put a little chicken there. Hatching. Why are you hatching chickens? It all reads at 0, so I really gotta zoom in here. Negative, more negative slightly. Coming in lower, so there's something bullish here. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour for Jeju. Last time we were looking for was bullish divergence. Here we're going for that zero line. We wanted to anchor to a negative momentum. I'm almost positive we still had it here, right? Look, negative, less negative bullish divergence pump. We just hadn't looked at Jeju since. Jeju, Doge, Wet Ethereum. I'm kidding. Wrapped Ethereum. I just call it Wet Ethereum because the abbreviation is wet. No. This sounds like this track reminds me of Infinity. I cannot play the other song, but it does sound a little bit like Infinity. There's a coin called No Doge. No Doge for you. We'll look at Judge Judy coin. No. Judge, Judy, and Executioner. Bullish. There is some hidden divergence building here. Oh my goodness, this coin is just not gonna take off right now because the hidden barrier is just gonna put pressure on the price, making it go down to that 20. May. I think she's at a year age limit. That's it for Jeju Dog Wet. Jeju Wet Dog. Now let's do regular dog. Doge. Doge. Doggy. No one knows what to call it. That's just Doge. Right, let's look at Doge, man. Huh, we're looking at some kind of curvature here for some reason. Oh, head and shoulders. Then we drop. Huh, great. Bullish divergence popping hitting the 20, rejecting consistently. Not a lot happening here. Sold at 37.03. Really doing a lot. He gets to the side, the verdict. Right. I'm not sure the legal system's ready for that. High to low. High to low. Low to high still. So hidden bearish divergence still build here. Broke Doge down. Follow me as I tell you the sad story about Doge. With the bearish divergence and breaking down. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral, sorry, not neutral, sold at 35.20, but not a lot, still pointing down there on the hour side. We could still be looking for a little bit more pain. Let's go to the 1 hour. Man, are we going to have something bullish here? Please have something bullish. Nope. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at, sorry, sold at 33.16. No. Off the side, 38.89. There's not a lot happening here. For Doge, so we did get a request. Market Slayer. What was the indicator you wanted to look at? Like every day, you come in with a different indicator, man. The more you use too many indicators. But what indicator you want me to look at? Let me know in the chat so we can look at it. Meanwhile, I'll go back to the Bitcoin. The bits of corn, man. 33,205. If you're here and you haven't hit that like, shame on you. If you're here and you have hit the like, you're awesome. Betty White coin could last forever. Don Chain Oscillator. By Raphael. How about Vanna White coins, and then you can guess the letters. Right, so what the hell's wrong? Oh, something else there. Right, let's do that. Indicator. It is this done chain. Not chain, Xian, done Xian. Right, here we go. Right, so here it is, the Dom Xian. I write chain here. I gotta write Xian, make sure I got it right. Ha! Look at our Bitcoin drawing. Ever since we drew it. Yeah. Every day we do indicator day. Oh, dude, no, it's gonna be too much. There's gonna be too many indicators. I'm not even sure what I'm looking at here, man. I gotta look at the settings. Plot, color, background color. Dude, I'm not even sure what I'm looking at here. Inputs, T period, signaling. So I guess the signal is 9, the periods are 30, so it might be the length. I'm not even sure what I'm looking at, bro. Yeah. I gotta do some reading on this, man. Got no clue what I mean to look at here. It's all good. You're gonna have to send me the indicator of the day on a prior day on Discord so I can look at it. Let's keep rolling. The corn trying to move up a bit on this new candle. We're still trying to hold on to that $33,090 mark. So we can go higher. Let's see if we can go higher. I think the 4 hour is still looking good. Yeah. 4 hour we're still looking peachy. Hopefully we can close above this area and try to move higher, man. Worried about the Bitcoin. Worried about the Bitcoin, man. Right, someone said Matic. I haven't done Matic yet, so let's go check out the Matic. I think we didn't do Matic, right? I think we stopped at Doge. Matic at 98 cents. Oh my goodness, what's happening with it? Yeah, strong bullish divergence, right? We're still coming lower now. Look at this, this is insane. We had the bullish divergence, we pumped on it, rejected a couple times here at the 50% retrace. Now we're going lower, we're going from one island, right? And we're going from negative to positive. We want to go to a negative momentum. We're creating strong bullish divergence. Still, we're just not getting that action to the upside. We're not getting that action to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Look at that. Bullish divergence strong. We could be looking for a pop to happen. We already get part of that action. Should be going for that 20 moving average at $1.02. Ain't that great? Look at that. All right, so potential action upside. We're sold at 34.97. Pointing down on the other side, we should be looking for maybe a point up. Come back up to this neutral zone, at least hit 40 or slightly higher. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, man, do we have anything bearish? It don't look like it. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Sold at 38.18. We're not doing a lot. We should be going for that 20 moving average potentially. So we don't have anything here that shows strength. On that motion, I'm going to be careful because the market's not looking the strongest right now. All right, look at the market. It's been on a drop. It's been on a drop. It's been on a drop. This looks like a very large wedge-ish thing. I don't like it. Go back to Bitcoin. Look at that. Bitcoin's still within this area of resistance, right? Support resistance. So we just have not made this larger. I usually don't like this all up on the data, but we're gonna get closer. Please stay there. We're still within this area. I gotta start deleting stuff on Bitcoin. I have stuff back from this company handle that we formed way back on February. And I look at all the data, man. I gotta start cleaning this chart a lot. Ditpack! Sir, can you help me, please? I'm not sure. If you're gonna ask for money, please don't. Save yourself some trouble. If you're gonna ask for, like, you know, a coin, that's fine. Like, a request for us to analyze a coin. Fatty! How's it going, my friend? I haven't seen you in the longest time.
What's
I
up?
hope you're doing really good, man. I hope you're doing really good. I hope you're having good trades. And I hope you're having a blast looking at the market, Fatty. Thank you very much for coming in. How's Doge doing? We already looked at it. It's not doing that great. You're doing great. Ah, it's awesome, dude. Deepak, I'm best Bitcoin X token 1,000. When he goes up 1,300, I sold but only got 9,200. Why does this happen with me? I'm not sure. Stop music and tell me. No, I'm not gonna stop the music. I'm not sure why that happened to you. I'm not even sure what you're talking about. You invested 1,000, you pulled out 9,200. You're pulling out 9 times. I'm not sure why that happened to you. I'm not even sure why you talk about Bitcoin X. You got no clue. Talk to your exchange. Look at what your, look at what your exchange rates are. Might have gotten exchange rates come after you. I'm not sure. There's nothing I can do there, man. Anyways, we're gonna look at Doge, right, for Fatty. So Doge at 20.65. Look at that. There's bearish divergence. We'll move down. Whew, hidden bearish. There's really nothing bullish happening on Doge. Even on the daily, look at that. Anyways, we had bullish divergence pump, hit the 20, rejected a couple times. We're still trying to hold that 20. We're just not getting there. You lost 380. You cannot lose 380. You got in at 1,000. So you only lost 80. I'm not sure why you're saying you lost 380. I'm not sure what you did, dude. You did something with your exchange. You should go figure it out with your exchange. There's nothing I can do here to help you and tell you why that happened. But thank you for being here. Low, high, negative, less negative, neutral. Sold at 37.01. 4-hour chart again. Hidden bearish, moving down, and on the 1 hour, we are not having anything bullish yet. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Still sold at 37.55. The only reason that we could see a movement up is because we're sold, and we could be aiming for that 20 moving average, and that's at 20.90 cents, man. Ryan Mills, how the XRP looking? We already looked at XRP. I'm gonna recap it in a second. Right on, man. XRP hidden bullish, pumping in that, going for that 20. That is fine. We get above the 20, we could be looking for a hit at 63.36 cents. If we get above that area, 65.63, those will be the resistances to the upside. If we go to the downside, we could be aiming for that 58.72 cent mark. Now, on a moving down here as well, we are trying to hold on to that 20. We're rejecting it. Sorry, rejecting the 20. So on a rejection of the 20, we could be looking for a drop to that 58 cent mark. Again, hidden bearish divergence. Part of the reason that we broke down after hitting that resistance at 65.63. And on the daily, we don't have anything going on. We're just moving sideways below the 20. All right. So a lot of resistance on the upside for Ethereum. It's probably going to follow Bitcoin the rest. At least the market cap now, it's positive for everyone, including alts. It's just Ethereum still doing negative 0.10%. Right on. Remember, guys, we are live every night at 9 p.m. Central. If you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, and hit that sub. If you don't like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub. Then come in and, you know, talk BS. It's all good. We'll just chill. Yeah, no, we're in Brian Mills. Brian Mills, the son of General Mills, maker of cereal. That's your story now. It just became your official story here at the State of Crypto. What do you think about the XRP legal issues, Martin? Oh, I think that's an interesting topic. If they come on top of that, could really launch the token to the upside. Because a lot of people are going to be rushing into XRP once it gets declared not to be a security. Meanwhile, if it does get declared security, oh, bro, we might see a dump on XRP still to come. But it's not going to matter because guess what? Crypto's a global phenomenon, and the US is not the only country in the world that will use XRP since they're targeting international payments. If they manage to become the de facto crypto for international payments, what's going to happen is the US is going to have to get on board. Period. If like they become the de facto cryptocurrency to send remittances and everything around the world, the US is going to have to come around and use them, no matter whether or not they call them a security or not. At some point in time, you know, if the masses are using it and everyone else in the world is using it, they're going to have to adopt it. If they create their own system, they're just going to be making a mess. And there might get a lot of pressure from other countries to start using XRP as well. Particularly if other countries are using it. All right, so we might see XRP still come out on top, even if the US says no. The US is just one country. The rest of the world has declared it not to be a security, so it's still up in the air. We'll see what's going to happen there. I think it has an interesting future. It's just a matter of time. Tether's also sketchy. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I really never got into Tether. XRP bullish. Yes, XRP bullish. XRP is actually the first coin I bought. Not the first crypto I owned. The first coin I bought with money. I had owned crypto before. Other types of crypto. I'll explain that. How can you own crypto before you buy it? Well, there are things called faucets, and faucets gave you free crypto, and that's how I first got into crypto, by claiming faucets. And then I started buying stuff. And yes, my desk does go up and down. Had cracked this open before the stream started, so. Ooh, warm beer, tasty. It's all good. It's a wheat beer, so it's still within good temperature to drink. I need to be like ice cold. I should start drinking Mondays. I just feel like having a beer today for some reason. It's been a long day. It's been a hell of a day. It's a fun day though. Beer is delicious, I agree. Martin flexing out with the new setup. You're jealous? Oh, don't be jelly. It's all good. Double IPAs. Ooh. You're a hophead. Wheat beer is not sour. Wheat beer is fine. You might be thinking about Flanders or Lambics. Those are sour beers. Wheat is fine. Wheat is fine. This one's fine. It's a Modelo. Modelo wheat beer. I usually don't like commercial beers, particularly because I used to make my own beer and I like my beer better. It's just that having kids, I cannot brew my own beer anymore because I'm working with very, very hot liquids, and I don't want to have an accident at the house with kids and boiling mash, and yeah, so I really rather wait a little bit. Anyways, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Looks surprising. I think sure. There's a very nice lambic. If you haven't tried it, Madison, it's called Lindemann's Peach or Lindemann's Raspberry or Lindemann's Creek. They tend to be really tasty beers. I like those actually a lot. I like lambic beers. They're a little bit in the sour, but they're naturally fermented, which is fun. Yeah, those are pretty good. Right. Any insight on Quant? No, bro, I haven't looked at Quant. I'm not gonna look at any more projects, bro. I've been live for an hour and 30 minutes already looking at a lot of projects. Right now, it's chill time. If you know the stream, I used to go up to 30 coins. It's just crazy. I think I might need to color correct my camera. I think I look weird. I look yellow in the camera, and I'm not yellow. Or I look weird in color in the camera. Just one quick second, guys. Yeah, I look off in the camera, so I'm gonna have to color correct because I'm using those lights in the background. It's really throwing off the color on my skin. It makes me look weird, but it's all good. Love makes time to dance, yes. Yeah. It's a chill time right now. Hey, man. I wish I could do this all time. All day, every day. That'd be really, really cool. But for that to happen. I need for YouTube to become like profitable by itself, which would be really cool. Everyone's dancing. Bruce Beats is dabbing. It's all good. What are we calling any stream here soon? I'm just waiting for the Bitcoin candle to close. We should host an online party like Ethereum. Yeah. We should have like, you know, the lights flash to the Bitcoin price action in the second. I can't remember which one's the one that played in May. It's on random, so I'm not sure which one's the last one that played. That'll be fun, yeah. Like the second chart, like it flash green, red, green, red, green, red. Don't you know? Pump it up. Yeah, I know that song. I was gonna do something here. What is that? Something cool here. Let's see if we can do this. I'm not sure which one's which. I think it might be this one. See, green and red, it looks really weird. It makes my skin look even weirder. We'll make it all red because the market's moving down. Oh, that looks interesting. Actually, I think it might be blue that might be throwing off my skin color, not red. We'll see. Can I get the camera to focus me? Focus me, camera. Ah, there we go. Sorry. Yeah, the mic went out. It's all good. It's back. It's back. We fixed it. Yeah, like I was saying, it's weird that, you know, the color affects the way my skin looks in the camera. Can't hear the mic. Yeah, I got it. It's fixed. So here I look kind of like normal, right? When I put that blue one in the background, my face looks weird. Like that's why I think I need to color correct the camera. I go there and then like my skin tone is gonna start changing in like a couple seconds. It's awkward how that works. Blue maybe throws off the white balance. I guess, dude. I guess, you know. I think that's what's happening. Cause see, now I look slightly more reddish here than the other side where I get the red and the light actually hitting me in the face. It's awkward. It is very awkward, my friend. It looked like I got a fresh tan. I know. See, here I look red. And then here in a second, you just remember how red this looks. In a second, I'm gonna start to look fine again. It's weird, man. Like the camera will autocorrect the color, right? Dude, do I look like, you know, Trumpus? See, now I look back to my regular skin tone. Yeah, blue might throw off the white balance. Kind of sucks though. If I go green, I might still be looking okay. I'm not sure. We'll see here in a second if it turns me like tan again, like the color of an Oompa Loompa. Tanning bed was part of the new setup. Oh hell's no, man. I don't think I'm gonna spend money on a tanning bed. See, green and I wanted to go with green and red first, but just like the green and the red don't have that very, very nice color clash like the blue and red. Blue and red look really good, so I might have to color correct the camera. Or at least, if I don't want to color correct the camera, I'm going to have to set up a new LUT for the stream where I remove some of the blue, or the blue tint, I guess, of my skin. We'll see. I have to figure it out. Oh, Seamus vibes are fine with the green, right? The Seamus vibes. It's all good. It's a good day. We're almost done here. 15 minutes to go until we close this candle and figure out what we're gonna do. We got a lot of viewers here. Did we lose a lot of viewers? I'm not sure. 33. Oh, cool. A jump from 20 to 33 is awkward. Let's keep rolling, man. You're a LUT. LUTs is what you call when you put on a top of a video to color correct. Yeah, it's awkward though. I think I might still need to push my desk a little bit farther that way so I'm not casting a shadow here on the background, or maybe lower the intensity of that light, but then I look even more orange, which is weird. Very interesting. Right, I'm looking at the price of Bitcoin. We're gonna go even into the 1 minute, I guess, to make it a little more exciting. Because Bitcoin is just, you know, bullish and from the previous one. Right, it's fine. We hear bullish and also, but you know, don't really mean anything. We're not doing a lot. Oh, look at the 1 minute. 1 minute chart. Oh, look at that, dude. Look at that spike. Look at the price spike. I'm out of beer, I'm out of coffee, I only have water left. Oh my goodness, I'm out of mana. You like the green? Really? I think the blue pops more, but we might try the green for a couple streams, see how that works. The dichotomy of TA? Yeah. initially I did want to do green and red, but I don't like the way the colors combine. Like the orange, the red, it doesn't look as red when I have the green. And when I have the blue, the clash of colors in the background is so much stronger. All right, look, I'll show you. Like that color clash, it looks so much better. Although it makes me look like an Oompa Loompa, but that one, the clash doesn't just seem as, I guess, interesting. We'll try it out. We'll see how it goes. Might also try to put the blue on that side and the red on this side, see if that works better. I'm not sure. We can do that change. Make that one red and we'll make the other one blue. And we'll see how that works. Hopefully it's not going to change my skin tone. I think I went back to being orange. Yeah, I'm back to orange. I'm back to having a tan. It's fine though. I don't mind having a tan. It looks good. Looks like I went to the beach. Green and yellow, nah, they don't look as good, man. The colors blend too much. Look, I'll go green here and yellow here. Let's see, they don't do a lot. Green and blue kind of look nice as well, but you don't get that nice blend as you do with the red. Red and blue for some reason work very nice, man. Matches the bull and bear on the painting, I know. Too light on both, yeah, I know. Like, green doesn't really work that well, I think. See, that's green and red. And for some reason, the colors don't seem to be that opposing, right? Because red and blue are both primary colors, so they seem to oppose quite a bit. Even on the RBG, right? Green is also a primary color, but it just doesn't clash as well. I didn't get that, Madison. What? Yeah, I think blue and red looks great. Oh yeah, 5-0. Pigs in a blanket. Smoking a pancake. Cigar and a bagel. I think I can't remember what the blintz and a something. I'm sure I'm not missing anything here, man. Again, guys, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. You can join us on Discord. Links have been going out. They're also pinned at the top of the chat. Fascia. He's what? He's fascia. Yes. Right on, man. Bitcoin moving along on the 1 minute chart. For all those people out there that like the 1 minute chart, there we go. We have it. We have the 1 minute chart out for everyone. It's farther. Yeah. Father, and yes, I love gold. Yeah. Steve, what's up? Thank you for being here. And saying LOL. I think that's the most participation we've gotten from Steve in a while. Like, hey, Steve, LOL. It's all good. I know he probably can't talk right now. Because, you know, the family's probably sleeping, which is fine. My family sleeps all at this time. Not my wife, though. My kids are asleep already. Work's been great. It's all good, man. It's all good. I'm just making fun. It's all in good fun. Jack says burn. Work's always crazy. When is work not crazy, man? It even happens to me all the time. Work's freaking crazy most of the time. Remember, guys, next week streams are gonna be. Oh no, this week starting Wednesday, streams are gonna be off. You just finished work at 11:53. What the hell? What do you do, man? Are you a narc? No sets for Kenshin. I'm not sure. Kenshin just came in and said hi, like, you know. That's it. Like, I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if he's watching or not. I know Kenshin has his basketball games at this time, so that's why he's not here most of the time. All right, so 7-Eleven it is. It's like a 7-Eleven. We're not always open. We're always doing business. Who here buys gold and stuff? Me, but I haven't bought any recently. I should probably start buying something else because crypto's just been boring. Just waiting. Oh, he's always lurking. That's why his name says the Elon Musk of lurking. He's the best at lurking, I guess. He made lurk Tesla. Basically charges your vehicle as you lurk. Just using the Discord, you all use that often? Yeah. Somewhat often. Like if I get pinged, I try to look at stuff. I might post stuff on the daily. I post where I go live. There's a lot of stuff happening there on pet photos. Crypto ideas and charts every now and then. Someone posted something yesterday. Haven't commented on that, but it looks interesting. Shoulders too high. Whoever posted this, left shoulders too high. There's stuff happening on Discord. Yeah, it's fine, man. And then we're gonna get an August pump to 6-figure Bitcoin, dude. All right, August pump. I would tell you that I believe we might start to get rally toward the end of the year, maybe October. August might try to go up a little bit, maybe September, but not to the 6 figures. I would say maybe we should concentrate on targeting short-term targets. Let's get above 42,000. Once we get above 42,000, we got to go for the 55s, and then we got to go over the 64s, right, which was our all-time high. Before that, there is no point in talking about higher levels until we start targeting those areas. To start off, yes, it could be the start. Yeah. Elon says, I think we get 10K before 100K. I mean, there are technicals that would suggest that, right? We've talked about them before. Head and shoulders, right? Potential action downside, targeting the 9,000s. We also created, on this other chart, bringing the parabolic advance, right? Bringing the parabolic advance could yield an 85% drop from the all-time high. That puts us targeting 9,500. We already checked that plenty of time. So yes, there's stuff happening on Bitcoin that could suggest lower areas of value still. Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of things that would suggest we will hold support. I'm just saying there could still be action to the downside. I think there's too many institutions involved already to let the price drop below the 20Ks or even the 15Ks. Man, I don't think institutions are going to be selling and dumping where they might, you know, if they want to buy it at a lower level, but I don't think that's the game right now. Then Perfect 4 says we don't see 20K again. That's fine. I mean, we don't have to go down. I'm just saying it's possible. It is 9K, 9,500, etc. It is within the realms of possibilities. Bitcoin could go there because there's technicals that would suggest that Bitcoin could go there. I'm not saying it's going to go there. I'm just saying there's stuff that would suggest it could go there and it would be a legit target. There's a lot of buying pressure at 20K, yes. Yeah. I'm thinking 100 and plus thousand, 130,000 could be a fair target for the end of the year. But right now I'm playing patient. I told you guys I'm not buying, I'm not selling, I'm waiting for the market to start doing something. Tell us if it's going to drop more or we're going to pump more. So I'm patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. Haven't changed my position. There's really nothing happening on the market that would suggest otherwise. Look at the movement for the last couple of weeks. Look at this, man. Ever since here, the 27th of June. Look at that, right? The 13th of June, almost 16 days of just nothing. Of nothingness. Right? Big boys are accumulating around 30,000 and the market cap is pretty low. We've seen the Bitcoin chart, US money supply. I think Ben Cowan did it. No, I haven't. I tend to not look at other crypto channels. I'm pretty bad at that. I should go look at other people's and see what they're talking about. I haven't. I wish I did. I haven't. Steve's accumulating big boy. Big boy. Yeah. Are you, Steve, accumulating big boys? May with the puns. I have that. I have that son. What am I doing that with now? There we go. May with the puns. Do I like what Bitcoin's at right now? Nope. It's dropping a little bit. We really want to close this 4-hour up here. Otherwise, chance of rejection of the 33,000 and a potential drop to these areas. So we don't want to get that. It's pretty interesting. I compare the price to the increase in money. It has already hit 20K. Adrian, have we checked Komodo? No, we haven't. I don't think it got requested properly. If it goes out of state of crypto, I usually do stuff, but right now I already closed request for today. So you wanted me to do Komodo? Please come in and do add the state of crypto, and then the asset is right here, right when I talk, it says add the state of crypto. That's how we know we gotta do stuff, right? You do add the state of crypto, I know you're talking to me, I know you want me to look at something, and I will put you on the list. I already closed list for requests. It's already past 11. So Bitcoin closed the last hour. Where did it close, man? I'm gonna have to zoom in here to the 1 hour chart. Did we close above? Slightly below, man. Slightly below the 33,090. We really want to close this 4-hour candle up here. Otherwise, we do start to get that risk that we might try to look for action to downside. I don't want to see that happening for Bitcoin. Yes, it's like a Pokemon coin. You hold a Komodo dragon, you can fight it against the Doge coin, and then you know, use their superpowers against each other. Anyways, Bitcoin needs to hold. It needs to stay above 33,090 if it wants to still go higher. Otherwise, it risks going back down, right? There's a mean 4-hourly chart cup and handle. I'm just gonna look at it real quick before we leave though. I want to see if there's a cup and handle here. on the 4 hours. So let's see. First thing. So are we coming from a 30% rally? Yes, that's first thing met. Second, are the lips at the same height? No, the lips are really, really far off, right? You're talking about almost doubling. Not doubling, but a good, how much are we looking at here for an increase? Like 20%, 8%, 13%. There we go, 11% rally. So your lips are not at the same height. You want to have lips at the same height. Fork up and handle. I mean, could it still play? Is it the cup and handle part? It could still come up here and still be making the cup portion, right? Just be careful about that. It's not a full cup and handle yet. I can see what you're looking at. You want to have lips at the same height, right? Almost. Should be looking at a price somewhere around 94 cents. And then you want to create your handle, and your handle has to be over half of your high point to your low point. I think that's fairly close. I can flip this real quick to get an idea. Close to the 50% mark. Here we go. That's your 50% mark, and that will be from somewhere up here, maybe, right? So, I mean, I know you're looking at this as a handle. That's fine. You should look up as the handles. You want to have similar heights, right? You're looking wider, all right? So this is a cup. You need to have a 30% rally before the first lip. I don't think you have a 30% rally even from here. The highest you go is 17. And still your lips will be really far off. Even if you look at the lip here would work, kinda. But your rally's not 30%. You should want to have a 30% rally for a cup and handle. There are some criteria that you want to meet for a pattern formation. Bueno, it's all good. I'll show you here real quick. I'll show you real quick so you know what I'm talking about. Cup with handle, right? Identification guideline. Rise before the cup is at least 30%. U-shaped cup and handle duration, right? It has to have a U-shaped cup, and the handle has to be at least 7 days. Cup duration has to be between 7 days and 65 weeks. So there's 7 weeks and 65 weeks. You can time that and have how many, candles you want to have. So seven weeks. You're looking at the daily. You're looking at 7 times 7. Handle forms in the upper half of the cup, and the cup lids are near the same price. I don't think you're meeting this first right here. The rise of the cup is at least 30%. I don't see that happening here. Even on this one here, let's see. Highest you got is 15%. So I don't see that 30% rally. I could still play, right? It could still play. All I'm saying is that the more textbook it looks and the more it plays like this, the better it will be, right? Anyways, stuff. Oh yeah, dude. If you play the odds, you're at 30K. You have to drop 33% from current price action. You have to drop 33% from current price action, so you are able to hit your target, right? 20K. You gotta pump 3 times, so 200% at least from where you're at right now. So you gotta go up by 300% from current price. So you get at least to 20,000, right? So sorry, to 90,000. So you gotta pump a lot more than you gotta drop. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. You should hit that like, you should hit that bell, and you should definitely hit that sub. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, make sure you please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you are thinking. Now, if you want to be up to date with the news and stream times that we're going to be having, please join us on the Discord. Everything's gonna be posting there. Next week I might be on and off. It's gonna be a bit awkward for me. My timing's gonna be different. So make sure you're on the Discord. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Remember, it's a pleasure being here. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. And on that note, this is all for education and entertainment purposes only. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.